Bored Ape Yacht Club is one of the biggest NFT projects to ever exist and has an incredibly high floor price. But unfortunately for us, it's on Ethereum. So unless you want a second mortgage to be able to afford the gas fees and these crazy expensive monkeys, you probably don't want any piece of this. And I'm with you, especially the gas fees part. That can piss off. We've got Cardano now. But on Cardano, do we have a project that's as good as Bored Ape Yacht Club? I do believe so. And it's at a fraction of the cost. Keep watching. What's up, nerds and virgins? It's your boy APE Crypto, and today I'll be talking about Clay Nation and why I believe it's the Bored Ape Yacht Club of Cardano. I'll be diving into my reasons why, and I'll be giving you a Clay Nation floor price prediction. So make sure you stay to the end of the video for that. If you like the sound of that and you love Cardano NFTs, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to not miss a single CNFT video. Also, while you're at it, make sure you follow my Twitter at ApeCryptoYT. I'll leave the link in the description. On there, you'll find CNFT news, CNFT memes, general CNFT talk, and also CNFT giveaways, which I'll be doing multiple times a week. So if you want to win some ADA, or you want to win a beautiful CNFT, make sure you're following my Twitter. Alright, now let's dive straight in this video. So unless you're living under a rock, you would have seen Claymates has absolutely exploded. A couple days ago, in a span of 48 hours, the floor went from 488 to 2088 rapidly, and since then we've had a little bit of a correction, but we're sitting comfortably around the 1200 to 1488, and I expect this to continue to rise for multiple reasons. The first one being the data that I'm seeing. Claymates' ADA volume has been parabolic, and by the time this video is out, Claymates has probably flipped space buds and is the #1 CNFT project, which is absolutely huge, especially considering that Claymates has only been around for about a week and a half, while Spacebuds has been out for many months. Claymates truly is the new wave of CNFTs, and I believe it will dominate for a long time to come. Claymates is the blue chip CNFT. So what does that mean for Claymates? And why is that top spot so important? Why I believe that top spot is so important is because when the ETH and all the Solana NFT guys all jump over to Cardano, where do you think they'll be heading? Especially when all the big players are coming in. They'll want a piece of the pie of the biggest project, especially when the biggest project has such a low floor to the other bigger projects on different platforms. Buying a Claymate at only 1288 could be the equivalent of buying a CryptoPunk or a Bored Ape Yacht Club really, really cheap. So Clay Nation taking that #1 spot is absolutely crucial, and it's massive, and it's just a sign of what's to come. But what if it's just a phase? What if it's just a fad? Well, the big money tells you otherwise. We've seen multiple 6-figure sales for Clay Nation already within 2 weeks of launching, and I can see the 100,000 ADA CNFT transaction happening in the next week at the rate we're going, especially after we've flipped Spacebuds. Another catalyst that will make Clay Nation the Bored Ape Yacht Club of Cardano is simply their community. They have over 13,000 followers on Twitter and 7,000 members on Discord. And if you've been on their Discord and you've been on Twitter, you'd see that this community is absolutely crazy. And I believe it's the best community I've ever seen for an NFT project. They really love this project. They are so united and just so engaged. And this goes a long way, and it's infectious. You see people going crazy for these NFTs. Thousands of people. All that leads to is FOMO. And that's probably why we've seen the floor rise so rapidly. Even though we've hit a bump in the road, we are by no means done, in my opinion. A pullback is a given, especially rising so hard. Claymates almost 7x'd in 48 hours. But I definitely can see this happening very soon. With the Cardano Summit around the corner, and with CNFT awareness just blowing up, you gotta remember, CNFTs are new, and a lot of people don't even know NFTs are on Cardano. I truly can see the floor for Claymates in the next month be 5,000 ADA. Yes, 5,000, which is over $10,000 US, which would be insane and is something that I would personally be very happy with. And that would mean some of the rarest clays would be well over 10,000 ADA each, and the rarest of rare would sell for over 100,000 ADA. And I can definitely see this happening as FOMO comes in from the Ethereum NFT guys and the Solana NFT guys. I can't stress this enough, we are so early. And if you minted Clay Nation and you bought a Clay Nation, you, sir, are sitting pretty, in my opinion. I really do believe Clay Nation will be the Bored Ape Yacht Club of Cardano. So if the floor for a Bored Ape Yacht Club is 40 Ethereum, that would mean 50,000 ADA floor. So is this possible? Personally, I don't think so this year, but you never know, things go out of hand. I think a 10k ADA floor could be realistic if the Cardano ecosystem explodes and the CNFT ecosystem just blows up to the masses, which I can definitely see happening because Cardano NFTs are affordable for the average person. I know myself personally, there was no way I was forking out $200 for an Ethereum gas fee. That's just complete bullshit. And unless you're a rich, elite prick, you won't be able to afford all that. Like seriously, I don't understand how Ethereum NFTs have gotten so popular. You're paying $50 for an NFT and you gotta pay double what you paid for the NFT on gas fees. It's just complete shit. And I think when people realize this, Cardano NFTs will shine. And that is the goal of my channel, to get as many eyes on Cardano NFTs as possible. As I do believe, we will and we do have a superior NFT ecosystem. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. And Clay Nation will lead the line. So what do you think? Do you think a 5,000 ADA floor is realistic for Clay Nation? Or even a 50,000 ADA floor? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm going with 5,000. What do you think? Anyway guys, that's all from me today. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, as I'm dropping daily CNFT videos which you don't want to miss. I called Tiger Society early, I called Very Important Dummies, and I'm going to call a lot more in the future. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and bow down to the leader of the nerds and virgins. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you all next time.